All right. Today's a fun day. I like today. Today was a great day. Today we saw some plays finally go our direction. Right? We're gonna talk about a few of them in a bit. I don't know. I just have a very good feeling about November in general. You know when you get that tickle in your balls, like, this is nice. I have a like this morning I woke up, like, this is very rare. Like, I know it's gonna be a great day. What is going on there? Are you doing some construction?
These kids, man, I can't say it on you can't say it on camera, especially what happened today. Oh my god. These kids,
like when you wake up in the morning on a good day, like, people's anthems are sometimes First of the Month by Bone Thugs and Harmony, which is a great anthem. It's a great get up and get it anthem, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like today I woke up and Black Eyed Peas were ringing in my head.
Which song?
I got a feeling. Ooh. Yeah, that's like, that stuff will get you going. Yeah, tonight's gonna be a good night. Yeah. That's been a common theme in this November, and we're only 3 days in. We have a lot of room to go as long as we keep sticking within our rules, keep playing within our limits. We will see some more gains this week, this month. And shout out to our long lost son Ricky. He's back. Long lost son Ricky. Shout out to Ricky.
You were gone for like 4 months.
Yeah, I know. Welcome back, Rick.
You just came back out of nowhere.
Yeah, you just sprouted out like a mushroom. Welcome back, Rick. But I'm so excited for him that he's back and he's happy. He's really getting into,
and he's doing a challenge. A brave challenge, by the way. 50% gain. That's not hard, man. That's not hard. You can do it.
Yeah, you could definitely do it. You just have to stick with the program and just ask the questions that you're
asking.
Room? Yeah, stay in the chat room, be active. That's all you really need to do, right? I mean, if you guys are interested in being excited and going into the chat room, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Hoping for a crash on Tesla? Then you might as well tell your portfolio, hasta la vista. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Welcome to Daddy Vince, your trade idea show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host,
Saint Teflon John.
Why did it sound like a discount double check? Like a good neighbor, St. John is there.
Oh, these kids, man.
Dude, didn't I say the other day that this is going to be crayon eating month?
Yeah.
This is crayon eating month. Look at all the stocks that are running. It's crayon eaters.
Hey, you know what? Actually, we spoke about Bed Bath & Beyond, and I was actually at Bed Bath & Beyond earlier. I was like, what's so special about this store?
Just beyond.
They offer moving services.
They have to offer everything at this point. What else is going to save the business?
Everything.
What else is like that's a failing retail space. But it's funny. Bed Bath & Beyond also owns Bye Bye Baby.
Yep.
I like Bye Bye Baby.
Shit's expensive, man. What are you talking about?
I mean,
it's branded. Yeah.
That's Bye Bye Baby. All right. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up because John, if they give us a thumbs down.
Mama works the night.
The night shift. The night shift.
Every night, Monday to Sunday.
Twice on Sunday.
No days off.
Well, you missed Monday to Sunday. Yeah, Monday to Sunday. No days off?
No days off. Ooh. Sometimes you're on call.
On call? Ooh. That hurts. Make sure you guys drop down in the comment section below stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. Lamborghinis. We got some great ones today. We got some amazing ones today. I'm
Should have
super
been better.
excited. I'm super excited about these.
Would have been better.
Lamborghinis. Shout out to me first and foremost. I kicked it off today with a nice 489 off of T-Mobile.
Ignoring me, huh?
Wait. I mean, it could have been better. Do you really want to talk about it? Because I've been trying to ignore that topic. I didn't want to relive that.
No, let's get right through it. Let's get right through it. Let's go.
See what I mean? I wasn't gonna go there, but you want to go there? We could go there. All right, T-Mobile 489. The captain of the ship himself, Tesla 671.
I wish T-Mobile paid dividends, but that company's so cheap. That's why I don't ever look at it. I'm in Verizon.
They're in growth mode.
I wish they paid dividends though.
Yeah, they're in growth mode. You can't expect a growth company to pay dividends.
All right.
Not everybody's Apple. Right? Here we go. DKS on Asian Boy. Solid moves.
Oh, it's not Tesla?
Stop.
It's you don't watch the show, man. Oh, here we go. Where's that?
Oh man. The sodium soldier strikes again. Oh man. Here, John. QS 2000.
QS?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Let's see what else is here. AMC. Nice move on AMC today. I like that call. QS 432.
Hey, QS was a family play, first of all.
Yeah,
if
QS
you guys
was
are not in the chat room, you guys are missing out.
Yep. IBM for 739. Solid move.
Yeah.
And then I closed QS 390 and I closed my original Zillow short for 178. Dude, if I would have held this, bro, I left 2,500 on the table.
Damn.
Sucks. It sucks. eBay QS, right? Here's a nice Tesla chunk of change for you. $2,000 on Tesla. Why are you so mad about that? You made money off of Tesla. Like, why? Yeah. Your face. Well, all right. Let's move on. I added more to Zillow. I reshorted it. 416. I ended up with 416 total, including the original call. Ricky making bank today, right? 130 and 420. What else? Some more Zillow shorts.
Yeah.
Here's Andrew with 7 bands for the day. Solid move. And some more on Zillow. We would double back on Zillow. Speaking of Zillow, let's take a look at. Why do you have that face?
What are we looking at, Zillow?
Let's take a look at Zillow. I can't take you seriously with that face. It's so funny.
It's all not funny.
It's not supposed to be funny, but the way that you
pissed off, man. Pissed off with a smile.
No. All right, let's take a look at Zillow. Zillow, again, we talked about this yesterday. They did report horrible numbers, and they said they're gonna change their business model to absolutely nothing. So they have nothing going on for them, and now they have.
This is a website that shows you houses. That's it.
Right now, it's like the Instagram for houses. You know what's the Instagram for housing? Instagram. There's absolutely no reason for Zillow to be a company. Now, check this out. We saw a fat sell-off today. They're negative $21 for today. There is a low of 63.13. We are very, very oversold on this play. We might see some pops. I think Zillow is going to keep blessing us with short opportunities.
Yeah.
I do believe that the shorts are going to pile on to Zillow. I do also believe that it may see some oversold bounces here and there, but I do not think that this will recover.
Hey, I hope all those people that they laid off would short this stock.
Yeah, I would too. If I was laid off by Zillow because they decided to change their business model and they no longer have to do anything, I would buy puts on Zillow at every opportunity that I see. So Zillow is going to be one of the stocks that I am going to be like focusing heavily on to see if there's any other any opportunities from a day-to-day standpoint, because this has the potential to keep blessing us as to short to zero. John, anything?
I would short it too, but
yeah,
it is oversold. Eventually, we're going to buy this this dip right here. I mean, if it ever happens. So keep us on watch for the next week or so.
Yeah, so even after hours, you see after hours work, we saw a low of 63.13, and after hours, there's still some sort of buying pressure. I would not be surprised if we see Zillow open up tomorrow at around, if it opens up right around here, around the $70 mark, maybe a couple of pops here and there, a little bit of sideways action before ultimately forming a bear flag so that we can short it even more to the downside. Again, if you see a stock that pierces below the Bollinger Band or above the Bollinger Band, more likely it will give you some opportunities for a long, but be careful because ultimately it's going to fall back down. It always retraces back inside the bands. All right. So that's pretty much it for Zillow. The next stock that we want to cover is Quantumscape. John, Quantumscape has blessed us today, and I do think that there's more to it. John, what do you think?
There's more to it. So if you pull up the daily chart on this one, remember we played SoFi. I mean, you're still in SoFi. We played SoFi on the breakout, and then we called pretty much. It seems like we were calling every single day to the T. For this one right here, we did sell before the Fed because pretty much the market was somewhat pulling back before the Fed meeting. So we took some risk off, but it ran again after the entire market ran. So Quantumscape jumped $1.50, some more, right? And this one's gonna have some more tomorrow. So what we're gonna do is take a look at maybe an entry between 30 between 30 to 31. Have that slight pullback, but definitely we're going to play this one on the long side again. Might be a day trade, might be a swing trade, who knows? It's about to hit over bot levels. The MACD seems like you got a few more days to go, but this one seems like it's a hot sector right now because lithium batteries and the EVs are such a play right now. So this one has momentum. Yeah, I'll play this one again. So if you guys are not in the chat room, you guys are missing out, man.
The next level of resistance is $32.38. It's not the cleanest, but there is a cup and handle that I see here. John, what do you think? Right around here, and then handle.
A really big cup and handle. So
that one too.
Yeah, the pop is coming, and plus
the pop is definitely coming.
You know what? Pull up the weekly chart, and I'll show you. You see how clean that is. The bounce off of the 50, bounce off of the 20. This can actually be a really long swing. It really depends on your risk, management on this one. So depends how big you are on this one. But if you look at the 50 EMA on this one for the weekly, check that out. It's holding, and wait for the 9 and the 20 to come up.
Yep, because the 9 is right about to converge. It already converged, and it wants to go above the 100. So that's very bullish.
That is bullish.
Very.
We're gonna swing this one again.
Yeah. So let's. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna wait till the 32, 38 mark kind of gives us some type of strength. I do see it on the daily. Always be prepared for these scenarios. That on the daily chart, you're seeing now a flag pull, right? And expect this to go sideways before going back up again. So this is what exactly happened a couple of days ago. Flag pull. Sideways, flag pull, expect another sideways. This is the way it is. All right. That's pretty much it for that. The next stock that we want to cover is Roku. John, how did the Roku do on earnings today?
Roku didn't do so well with earnings. They're saying some about supply issues again. So here we are. We're hitting after hours. We hit 280 at its lowest. It closed at 287. So if you pull up the daily chart for this one right here, it's obviously going to gap down tomorrow. Okay, so it really depends if we have a green day or a red day for NASDAQ. If we do have a red day, this one's going to get shorted a lot. Okay, and
We're gonna
if we
open
do
up
have
right
a green
around
day,
here tomorrow.
yeah, so it's going to open around right there, 280-ish. Okay, it ended at 287 really, and its lowest is 280. So keep an eye on 280 level. If that breaks, then obviously this one's going to flush down even lower. If you look at the the 1 year chart, its lowest that it hit, actually earnings it hit 271. So it
Right
seems
around
like
here.
they really don't do well on earnings. So I mean, I'll keep that in mind. Next earnings, maybe we'll do a lotto put or something.
See, this is the next level of resistance that I see here. Notice this has gotten hit 3 times already, right around there. 293.08.
Yeah.
293.08 is the level of resistance or level of support. I'm going to say resistance, but level of support to the downside. Obviously, that's going to be broken tomorrow because we're going to open around the 280 mark.
Yeah.
I would definitely love to short this. And also this is somewhat of a fairly similar setup to Zillow, not fundamentally, but
Mhm.
I mean, if we're going to take a look at earnings losers like this, a lot of people are going to be spooked and a lot of people are going to be dumping tomorrow. So what I really want to do for tomorrow is this. Let's take a look at the hourly chart here. Expect this to trade a little bit of sideways. Watch it dump, pop, and then wait for it to go below the lows of the session before hopping in. That's the way I would short this stock, right? As far as a preliminary short level, right? You're looking at 285.80. Anything below that potentially is a good short to me. John,
Yeah.
what do you think?
Especially after if it breaks 280, that's your key level of support. So if that flushes, that's it. I mean, your next one would probably be around 272. Yeah.
And it's for what it is right now. It's a free fall. It's a
Yeah.
free fall
Yeah.
because there's no EMAs behind it. This is like, think of a parabolic move to the upside. This is going to be a parabolic move to the downside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's pretty much our honest opinion on Roku. Hope that you guys found this useful information. And I hope you guys apply this to your trades. And again, there's not financial advice. These are just ideas that John and I go through on the daily to see if we could find value for ourselves and make some money on our own. If you guys are following these trades, make sure that you guys manage your risk accordingly and don't go full position. And just be careful out there. It is a very, very tough world in trading. But as long as you know what you guys are doing, right, you guys will come out on top. And if you guys don't know where to start, just make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. We do have a free session today for people who want to take the course or just want to join a group of like-minded individuals. Make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. And don't forget to hit up all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch, right? Hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up because John, if they give us a thumbs down, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get trading, guys. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.